Don't worry, this is not my office, but definitely this can be yours. Hi guys, Ruchika this side from Presto Estate DLF Phase 1. आज जो मैं आपके लिए घर लाई हूँ साउथ सिटी 1 में प्रीमियम लोकेशन प्रीमियम ब्लॉक में ये डुप्लेक्स हाउस डुप्लेक्स बिल्डर फ्लोर आई एम शोइंग यू आई एम गोना शो यू अ gorgeous one, a fully furnished duplex builder floor right away. सो ये है हमारा ग्राउंड लेवल पे हमारा डुप्लेक्स बिल्डर फ्लोर का ग्राउंड लेवल जहाँ पे राइट नाउ अ ब्यूटिफुल ऑफिस स्पेस हैज़ बीन क्रिएटेड प्रीमियम फर्निशिंग के साथ इतनी premium quality of furniture, interiors, products has been used throughout the house कि trust me guys, you would not love to change even a bit of this house. So right now this is the office space they have created. Definitely if you want to create it into something else, you can. There was that our office table. Now this comes our sitting lounge. Come here, let me show you. There's a lot more to this space only. Again ये हमारी आती है entrance from our parking area. आज हम इसको बंद करते हैं क्योंकि of course the stairs are connected through this floor and you have a lift as well. You have your personal car parking, your servant room at the ground level. Gorgeous lobby area, a sitting area has been created here. एक wall बहुत ही अच्छी क्रिएट की गई है. द क्वालिटी ऑफ द वर्क इज़ समथिंग. कहते हैं ना जब आप अपना घर बनाते हैं तो वो क्वालिटी और वो एक्सपेक्टेशंस जो आप सोचते हैं वो ऑलरेडी इस घर में पूरी करी गई हैं. ये है हमारा लाउंज एरिया, आर सिटिंग एरिया. बहुत अच्छा, मैंने बार बार ज़रूर बोलूँगी बट डेफिनेटली यू कैन कन्वर्ट इट. एज यू कैन सी द स्टेयर्स आर कनेक्टिंग अस टू द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. यहाँ पे राइट साइड पे हमारा मेन डोर एंट्रेंस आता है जो हमारे ग्राउंड लेवल से है. ये हमारी डोर से कनेक्टिविटी है ग्राउंड लेवल पे. लिफ्ट के थ्रू हमारी फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे, स्टेयर्स के थ्रू अलग से कनेक्टिविटी है. बट because this is a duplex floor I'm showing you right now, so our duplex stairs are there in it. बैक में अगर देखूँ तो मैं आपको एक बहुत ही fully equipped, fully finished जिसे कहते हैं a washroom and a pantry area is there. Let me show you. So basically this is gonna be our ground level entrance of the house जहाँ पे हमारी पार्किंग होगी एंड यही हमारी ग्राउंड लेवल से एंट्रेंस होगी. डेफिनेटली आपके फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे वाया लिफ्ट एंड स्टेयर्स इज आर एंट्री, बट आर अनदर एंट्री इज थ्रू आर डुप्लेक्स स्टेयर्स which I have been created wonderfully over there. Okay, this is another gorgeous, as we enter this house, this gorgeous place, so another gorgeous lounge area has been created over here. फर्नीचर की तो हम बात मैं करूँगी नहीं. One of the best I have seen and you will see yourself. जितना आप अपने घर के लिए इंटीरियर सोच सकते हैं या स्पेंड कर सकते हैं, the builder has already created this beautiful and amazing space for you in advance. एक वॉल अगर हम देखें, एक शो पीस देखें, has been created wonderfully. Definitely ये एरिया अगर मैं पर्टिकुलर, ऊपर तो खैर हमारा कोई स्कोप ही नहीं है कि हम कुछ चेंजेस भी दिखाएं. अभी मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ ऊपर जाके, इतना खूबसूरत घर है. बट ग्राउंड लेवल पे डेफिनेटली यहाँ पे अभी हमने एक ऑफिस स्पेस क्रिएट किया गया. डेफिनेटली इफ़ यू वांट टू चेंज इट और कन्वर्ट इट इनटू समथिंग एल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर चेंज, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टेस्ट, यू कैन डू दैट. मेरे पीछे आपको मिलेगा बहुत अमेजिंग सा पाउडर रूम, वॉशरूम. सच bold colors have been played and actually guys this is one of the boldest house, very colorful house, a gorgeous house this is. And then we have a fully equipped, and then we have our pantry over here for our ground level. So as I told you ki we have our duplex stairs connected to our first floor. Let me show you the back balcony of this house. So, ये है हमारा बैकयार्ड ऑफ द हाउस, वेरी स्पेशियस. अभी ये बिल्कुल ब्लैंक है. कन्वर्ट इट इन वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू. एज यू कैन सी एन अमेजिंग सनलाइट इज कमिंग थ्रू आउट. बहुत स्पेशियस, सो मच ऑफ ओपननेस एंड ब्रीदनेस. अभी मैं आपको एक और चीज़ दिखाऊंगी कि हाउ यू नो वन ऑफ द पर्क ऑफ दिस हाउस दैट आई एम गोना शो यू फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट फ्लोर. सो लेट्स गो एंड विजिट आवर फर्स्ट फ्लोर. लेट्स go and visit our first floor, an amazing floor I'm going to show you right now. You know, there are many times when you get so mesmerized by the beauty of the place or by you know, the beauty of the person who's built this gorgeous place. मैं आपको डिटेल्स बताना ही भूल गई कि yes guys, this is a 500 square yard builder floor in South City 1, premium lane, premium location. I just can't you know, wait to tell you and show you this house. Okay, coming from the stairs, this is again another beautiful lounge area. Such beautiful spacing has been created. ये हमारा lounge area है. Back में आपको एक surprise है. Then comes our camouflage wall. Then we have 2 bedrooms in the front. A kitchen, huge kitchen in the front, drawing, bar, dining area, beautifully done up. Let's go. So as मैंने नीचे भी ये चीज़ बोली थी कि boldest house, so yes, definitely this is one of the boldest house with bold colors they have played around. Trust me guys, even if you say ना you don't like so much of colorful house, you will love this one. फर्नीचर की बात करें, एक एक फर्नीचर बहुत ही प्रीमियम क्वालिटी का आपको मिलेगा. आई मीन आप जाके ढूंढिए, आपको खुद भी नहीं ऐसा फर्नीचर मिलेगा जैसा यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी डिस्प्ले है. लेट मी शो यू द बैक bedrooms of the house and then we go in the front of the house. Okay, so this is gonna be our first master bedroom. बहुत ही अच्छा है. Very tasteful, very classy house this is. As you can see, पुरानी वीडियोस में कभी फुली फर्निश्ड हाउस दिखाया है तो लोगों के बड़े ही स्टूपिड कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं कि ये कैसी फर्निशिंग. बट आई ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, फॉर दिस हाउस यू कैन नॉट कमेंट समथिंग बट येस, दिस इज़ अ गॉर्जियस वन. बहुत प्यारा बेड की क्वालिटी देखिए, साइड एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट ऑफ अटमोस्ट प्रीमियम क्वालिटी. अभी भी इसमें काफ़ी स्पेस है. सुपर ह्यूज, सुपर स्पेशियस वॉशरूम. दिस इज marble work, all your branding of every product they have used is, I am not going to repeat that. Of course, this is one of the premium house and we always show you the premium house. That's going to be your shower panel area, a separate shower panel area, your WCC, it's your basin with an amazing mirror. And now this side, if I show you, is a wall completely full of wardrobes. Okay, so this is our second bedroom, back bedroom जिसे कह सकती हूँ मैं. एंड अभी आपको इसके साथ मैं बैक बैल्कनी दिखाऊंगी. वाओ वाओ वाओ, अनदर गॉर्जियस बेडरूम, ब्यूटिफुल फर्नीचर इनसाइड. एक एक वॉल बहुत अच्छे से क्रिएट की गई है. कम लेट मी शो यू. मैंने अभी भी आपको भी बता रही हूँ कि इवन यू नो आफ्टर सोफा, साइड टेबल्स, बेड्स, carpet, there's still a lot of space left for you to add on anything according to your taste. बैक में आपको रनिंग बालकनी दिखाऊंगी और आपको दिखाऊंगी जो सरप्राइज एलिमेंट है आपको बताई थी. लेट मी शो यू द अमेजिंग वॉशरूम. सो दिस इज गोना बी आवर ड्रेसिंग एरिया, आवर वार्डरोब एरिया. बहुत ही अच्छी अलमीरास की क्वालिटी है. बहुत अमेजिंग वर्क करा गया है, अप टू डेट. एवरी वर्क इज ऑफ very premium quality. Your WCC area, your shower panel area, just amazing. So this is a back balcony of the house connecting our 2 bedrooms and the lobby area we just covered right now. And to your surprise, let me show you this part of the house, that it is a पूरा आपका जो back area is a garden, it's a park, beautiful park. So you know, to add on to the perk of this house, to add on to the icing on this cake, this is the perfect one. So covering the back of the house, this half back of the house and the ground level, beautiful house. Now let me show you the front of the house. This is going to be our kitchen and that's going to be our drawing, our bar, our dining area. Walking down this aisle, I'll show you the 2 master bedrooms. Another, actually यार सारे master bedroom में क्या spacing दी हुई है, क्या layout लगाया हुआ है. So that's our main entrance of the house. If you come from the first floor, this is going to be our main entrance of the house. Here comes our powder room, must and a necessity of any house. See, another very bold color used inside the washroom, making it, giving it such a refreshing and a fresh look. कभी कभी actually यार वो bore हो जाते हैं plain whites and creams and goldens के साथ. So this is one refreshing house I am showing you. Let me show you the master bedroom. super amazing, super gorgeous. What an amazing furniture. Very tasteful house this is. Trust me guys, you cannot say no to this house once you come and visit with us. So this is the bedroom. As जैसे मैंने सब bedroom में कहा कि after despite all the furniture placed and amazing furniture placed, there's still a lot of space. Let me show you the washroom. Gorgeous one, beautiful one, and on my right is a wall fully covered with your wardrobes. Gorgeous wardrobes, one of the best wardrobes I am seeing, and you should see as well. That's our separate shower panel area, WC seats, beautiful wardrobes on my right. Okay, so now this is our fourth bedroom, but right now very thoughtful as well, if I must say. And अगर आप convert करना चाहते हैं, definitely there's a lot of space. You can add your bed. But right now they have created it into a lounge area, your sitting area, or maybe you can convert it into your theater or your bedroom, whatever it is. This is a space with amazing furniture they have put here, and it's a gorgeous one. Back bedroom आप देख ही रहे हैं, पूरे घर में there's dark grays they have been played. The washroom is fully equipped with your wardrobes and your every amenities you wish to have a look for. After covering another two gorgeous bedrooms, a powder room of this size. Drawing मैं आपको सबसे last में दिखाऊंगी. Let me show you an amazing, fully equipped, super huge kitchen of this 500 square yard builder floor. Wow, this is actually wow. बहुत अच्छी स्पेसिंग तो खैर बहुत ही अच्छी है, क्वालिटी भी बहुत ही अच्छी है, एक्चुअली सब कुछ ही बहुत अच्छा है तो इसलिए हम अपने बहुत अच्छे क्लाइंट्स के लिए ऐसा घर लेके आते हैं. Very well equipped kitchen this is, with your chimney, your hob, your OTG oven, everything is there, your drawer space for your two-door refrigerator, air conditions are installed everywhere. This is an extra area of the kitchen they have attached. You can convert it into your laundry wash area or your utensil wash area, all the store room, whatever you want to convert it into. Gorgeous space this is. अगर आप यहाँ से देखें तो जो ये window panel के through हमें space दिख रहा है, right now this is the shaft, but I think बहुत अच्छे से कुछ भी create किया जाता है, as this is openly connected with your drawing area. Let me show you the amazing and a beautiful drawing room right now. Let me show you the amazing part of this house, the bar area, the drawing and dining. यार कितनी बार बोलूँ बहुत अच्छा है अच्छा, definitely बहुत अच्छा है. So this is going to be your bar area. You'll get the house as it is, except few bottles you're looking up to, with your beautiful amazing bar chairs. This is your bar counter area. Here comes our dining area, a 6-seater marble, fully loaded, beautiful, gorgeous one, gorgeous dining table with amazing chairs, 6-seater dining table. This is okay. जो मैंने आपको वहाँ पे kitchen के through area दिखाया था. This is that area connecting, with through your drawing area. जहाँ पे भी actually बहुत कुछ भी create किया जा सकता है. There's a lot of space. Okay, so bar and dining area के बाद आता है हमारा drawing area. A beautiful one, such a lovely house. This is, to one bus just pack up your bags, your clothes, your utensils, and you're all ready, all set to come and live in this gorgeous mansion they have created for you. And just so perfect. Okay, so our front running balcony, which I'm gonna show you right now, connecting our 2 bedrooms and our drawing area. ये है हमारी front की running balcony attached with your 2 bedrooms and your drawing area. Front में आपको मिलती है 24-meter wide road. Back में मिलता है आपको इतना amazing garden. What else you need, guys? Summing up this gorgeous house for you. 24-meter wide road पे South City 1 में back में आपके garden मिलता है. Duplex floor, fully furnished. Not just fully furnished, amazingly fully furnished house this is. 4 bedroom, ground level पे आपको मिलता है काफ़ी बड़ा space to convert it into your party hall, your office space, your gym, your spa, anything you wish to. बेहद खूबसूरत, बहुत ही amazing location पे this house is available as a duplex as well as a single floor. Come visit this one, and once you visit this one, I'm sure you would not love to visit any other floor, but we have many for you. Please feel free to reach us at 7424001000. Presto Estate is there to help you at any time of the day. Till we meet in our next house tour, signing off for now.